All right, so here we have our Golen Engine 4.6 Jeep Stroker engine. This is our turnkey carbureted engine. So any of you guys that have an old CJ that came from the factory with the 4.2 carbureted engine, this is the replacement for you. This engine makes a ton of torque, so whether you got larger tires on this, or it's all weighted down, this engine will keep the Jeep moving. This allows you to pass on the highway, climb hills, but it still has great manners around town. If you're in traffic or doing some really slow rock crawling, this engine has a nice smooth idle, will get all that done for you. This engine is a direct fit, so in place of your 4.2, this will just drop right in. You're going to be able to use your power steering, your alternator. You're going to use your fan right on the front. Your radiator will plug right into the water pump and thermostat housing. You'll be able to hook a fuel line right into this carburetor. This is the premium Holley Avenger 2-barrel with the electric choke. We use an HEI distributor with the coil right on top, so that takes a 1-wire to get it up and running, so a very easy install. There is one retrofit, our stainless steel header. You're going to have to make the exhaust up to that. That's the only real retrofit in this particular package. This engine comes dyno tested, so we run it for 4 hours, we change the oil twice, we cut and inspect filters, we're retorquing everything, making sure there's no leaks, there's no noises. We're doing sweep testing to make sure it's performing properly. Comes with a dyno video, comes with a dyno sheet that has your name on it. So that way, when you get this, it's all broken in, there's no problems, and you're ready to do a confident install and get it running. Typically in one weekend, you can get this up and running. This engine, there's no core charge, so we're selling this engine outright to you. There's no sales tax. Comes with full tech support to help you with the install. Also comes with a 1-year warranty. Typically, we're about 2 months lead time on these packages. We do take a 50% deposit to get it up, to get the order started. So yeah, if you got any questions, feel free to email us, give us a call. We'd be happy to help.